A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. CEO of Radio Jamaica, Gary Allen, has outlined an ambitious growth program for the entity. More in this report.
Finding success in its merger with the Gleaner Media Company.
The management and board are fully convinced that were we today operating as independent entities, the Gleaner business by itself and the Radio Jamaica business with its subsidiaries by itself, that we would be in a worse off position.
But a year and a half into the merger, the CEO of Radio Jamaica Limited, Gary Allen, outlining an ambitious growth plan for the next 5 years. It includes boosting the traditional business, looking for synergies to exploit, and earning more from overseas.
Our target is actually to earn up to 40% of the overall revenues from the company from outside of Jamaica.
The company now earns less than 5% of its revenues outside Jamaica, but boosting earnings from overseas is not the only target. Radio Jamaica is also looking to diversify its revenue streams.
We do not think that we can continue to make media the only business that we are involved in. So we are looking at how we can move from that core, not too far from that core.
He said talks are being held with entities in Jamaica and the region. The aim is to cut dependence on ad revenue in a market that is being squeezed.
Unfortunately, the advertising market continues to exhibit decline in advertising across the board in this market. That is why we have to diversify, and that's why we are pursuing that strategy. But even so, I want to make the point, ladies and gentlemen, that the advertising base of the group is still over $5 billion. So it is not something that we're going to walk away from.
But not giving it up totally. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Meanwhile, Chairman of RJR Gleaner Communications Group, Lester Spalding, has announced his intention to resign as chairman of the media group. Mr. Spalding made the announcement at the company's annual general meeting at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Mr. Spalding, who has been chairman since 1994, said he will formally resign within the next 2 months. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar easing off its all-time high to close today at $131.09. The Canadian dollar is selling for $106.16. The pound sterling costs $173.48, while the euro is going for $159.31. The JSE Market Index gained more than 6,708 points in trading today, while the Junior Market Index gained 34. The Blue Power Group, Carreras, Dolphin Cove, Jamaica Broilers, Jamaican Teas, the NCB Financial Group, Paul's Investments, Seprod and T-Tech were among the winners. On the losing end were Berger Paints, the Siboney Group, Lasco Financial, Main Event Entertainment, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.
Business Day.